Hello guys, review HONOR X8a, this version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and look application. Device, of course. On this we have only documentary and adapter with quick charge, Type-C cable. Okay, now talk about device. Black color. Turn on device. On this side, power button and wall buttons, triple camera on the back side. On this 6.7-inch display, Type-C port, and device without headphones jack and without micro SD card port. Open settings, look Android version. We have Android 12 and Magic UI 6.1. Look into the benchmark results and look CPU version Helio G95 and Mali G52. Run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Okay, look camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Bye bye.